Good morning to all distinguished dignitaries, guests, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on behalf of IOP Publishing, I would like to thank Rajeshwari ma'am, Saundar Rajan sir, and the SIRD IGCA for giving us the opportunity to present and be a part of Reddit Conference 2021. Today, I am going to talk about an overview of IOP
Mr.
Publishing.
Sanjay,
Yeah.
can you make it full screen, your presentation? Not possible, you can continue like this.
Is it now okay, sir?
No, it is not changing, but you continue. Continue. Maybe there is no option there. You can continue, Mr. Sanjay. Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay. The IOP Publishing is the publishing arm of the Institute of Physics. In fact, our role is to support IOP and provide high quality publishing services to the scientific community, helping researchers effectively communicate their work. IOP has a history of 150 years of publishing now. So we publish a number of world-leading specialist titles in physical science portfolio that now extends across physics, material science, astronomy and astrophysics, bioscience and environmental sciences. Our content program has grown significantly this year as we continue to meet the ever-evolving needs of the research community. Our science news program represents a key part of our mission to communicate world-class research and innovation to the widest possible audience, ensuring thought-provoking coverage across a diverse range of subjects. We aim to be the most trusted and most respected provider of news and commentary for the global science community. IOP Publishing publishes over 103 journals. 57 of them are society owned, are solely owned by IOPP, and the other 46 published in partnership with other societies and research organizations in the UK, the rest of the Europe, Asia, and USA. 17 of these journals are fully open access titles. We have over 400 staff across globally, and our teams are based across India, and our head office is in Bristol and across the other parts of the globe in Philadelphia and Beijing, of course, in China. So we publish journals, books, proceedings, and of course the science news. In addition to our journals portfolio of IOPP, we have a growing ebooks program of close to 650 titles now. We published 105 titles in 2020 and another 105 titles in 2021. Along with a fast-growing program of conference proceedings in which it published around 70,000 articles in 2020 and more still this year in 2021. Physics World magazine for IOP's membership and Physics World news site, which we relaunched in 2017 and have seen double number of users this year. As well as publishing content in our own publications, we also publish content on behalf of other learned societies across our portfolio of products. Almost half of the journals in our product portfolio are published on behalf of other learned societies. And we have a notable books program with the American Astronomical Society, the Institute of Physics and the Engineering in Medicine, IPM, and the Biophysical Society, BPS. Our publishing partners benefit from our scale, reach, specialist expertise, and resources as an international society publisher. We help them fulfill their objectives and missions. So, what differentiates us from other publishers? Of course, we are a society based publisher. We, as a society publisher and as the publishing arm of the Institute of Physics, all the profit we make goes back to the institute each year. We are very focused on broadening and deepening our relationship with our research communities. IOPP is a leader in providing rigorous peer review services. Our review community are absolutely integral to the success of IOPP. We have more than 72,000 unique active reviewers who have completed more than 260,000 reports since 2013. We have a in-house peer review expertise with strong focus on peer review quality. The main objectives, of course, are the improving the author journey, reviewer training and certification, the speed of process of publishing the article, the quality of feedback, and of course, offering double anonymous and transparent peer review. We have over 100 editorial staff members focused on attracting quality research and overseeing its peer review. We save authors, reviewers, and board members time and effort by managing the peer review process. And we are extremely proud of what we do, especially as we get some excellent feedback from our customers, both authors and reviewers. We believe in offering a very high level of services to our customers. Of course, the community-focused journal development, working closely with the editorial boards to engage with the scientific communities and understand the develop of the subject areas. So I would like to just put forward some of the highlights of 2020 of what IOP publishing has grown over the years. So we published more than 105,000, almost a lakh number of articles published in 2020, which was almost 8.5% growth over 2019. There has been a huge increase in number of articles published in fully open access journals, which has seen a growth of almost 148% over, and 18% more publishing on the conference proceedings papers which has been published. IP publishing really endorses the goal of universal access to research in the physical sciences. IP publishing provides a range of options to enable authors to publish their work on an open access basis, with all our journals ensuring same high standard of peer review and publication. Many institutions and research funders have started policies on open access, and we advise authors to check this before submitting an article. As a policy in India, IOP Publishing has a special waiver for researchers based in India to publish their article with IOPP, where they have a 50% discount on their APCs. Last but not the least, we have 250 plus papers which has been published by Nobel laureates who have been awarded the prize since 2004. Talking about the usage and citations, we had a total number of articles which has been downloaded of more than 70 million, which has been up of 10% over 2019. This has been a huge growth in terms of articles download and usage. 1.6 million ebook downloads has happened in 2020, which is almost up 41% of over 2019. 1.3 million citations in 2020 for IP publishing content, and of course, a 7.7% growth in impact factor citations for IP publishing content in 2020. So talking about the ebooks, we have now a full-fledged ebooks program where we publish. We have currently almost close to 650 titles in IOP publishing platform. Along with the journals, we respond to the research community's changing needs by embracing new technology and formats in terms of ebooks. In fact, we are the first science and technology and medical publisher to build an ebook program with a fully digital vision. Multimedia advanced features such as video, interactive figures are an integral part of our ebook offering, enhancing reading and experience of the users. We have various technologies like EPUB, MathJax, various videos integrated into our ebooks in our IOP Science platform. These are the various. Some of the salient features of our ebooks program is that it's a DRM-free content, which is most important. There are absolutely no DRM restrictions, no concurrent user limit, no unlimited number of users can use our ebooks simultaneously at the same time. It's a perpetual access. It's a one-time purchase and a one-time investment for the institute. Maximum reader choice with the EPUB, Kindle, HTML, and the PDF formats. Interestingly, we also have a one-click full book download facility along with single chapter downloads also available. It's a single platform of IOP Science. For the users who have been using and going through our IOP Science platform, they know it's a single platform integrated both of our journals and books into one single platform of iopscience.iop.org. Talking about the ebooks, I have just highlighted some of the top performing titles of our IOP ebook program. This is a selection of our top performing titles in terms of usage since launch. Semiconductors was one of our very first titles to go live back in 2014 and has attracted around 72,000 downloads since. We have also seen a trend for the general science titles gaining good traction among our readers. With titles in areas like science, communication, bias, and women in physics proving very popular. We also see strong responses to titles where timelines is key, such as The Ringed Planet by the Joshua Colwell, and which was published to coincide with the end of the Cassini space mission in line with the subject of the book. Well, that is from me in terms of IOP publishing the products that we offer to the institutions. If anyone has any questions, I'd like to answer them.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjeev Datta.
Yeah.
Do you have any Indian Society journal under your fold?
Yes, sir. We have around close to 46 journals, which are other society journals, which are under the IOP publishing. We sales and marketing of those journals we do. In fact, the most prominent of them is the American Astronomical Society journals, which has gone open access from 2022 onwards. In fact, we also have the Electrochemical Society journals also with us, which is, in fact, the most flagship journal under that portfolio is the Journal of Electrochemical Society, which is among the top-ranked journals globally in electrochemical society, in electrochemistry.
Okay. So is there any other question from the audience? In case, thank you very much for giving us the overview of IOP publishing and how you are interacting with the other societies to bring out good journals. Thank you, Mr. Sanjeev.
Thank you, sir.